Welcome to the Rescue Pod Designs channel. Today we're going to learn how to double crochet. To get started, you're going to need some worsted weight yarn. I'm using Vanna's Choice and a size I crochet hook. To begin, we're going to make a slip knot. Once you make the slip knot, insert your hook into the loop, like so. Tighten the loop around the hook. Next, you're going to start chaining. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. You can keep chaining until you reach your desired amount. I'm going to go ahead and stop at 12 chains for this sample. Now we're going to start to double crochet. You're going to yarn over and in the second chain from the hook, so 1, 2, right here is where you're going to insert your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through. There's 3 loops on the hook now. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through the last 2. And that's how you double crochet. So let's do this again. Yarn over. Insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through those last 2. You can repeat this process across the whole entire chain row to finish your first row. Okay, now that we're almost done with the first row, we're going to double crochet into that last stitch. And you've completed your first row of double crochets. Now to move on to the second row, you're going to chain 2. Sometimes in patterns you'll see people chaining 3, but I prefer to chain 2. Okay, now you turn your work, yarn over. We're going to double crochet into the first stitch, not the chain 2 we just did, the first stitch right here. Again, we're working into the first stitch right here, not the chain 2. Okay, so now that we're yarned over, we're going to insert our hook through both loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through those last 2. And try not to mess up like I just did. So let's practice this again. Okay, into the first stitch under both loops. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And repeat this process into every stitch across to complete your second row. When you get to the end of the second row of your double crochets, you're going to work your last double crochet into this stitch right here. It'll make the rows nice and even. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through those last 2. And you have just double crocheted.